So here's how to cancel Shopify app subscription. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Chrome browser. Then here in the Chrome browser you have to simply search for the Shopify app. After that you have to sign into your account. Once you are signed into your Shopify account, now here you have to simply go to the settings option from the left menu. Moving on to the next step, it will redirect you to this pop-up window. From here you have to select the option of plan. Here at this page you will be able to view these options. If you have subscribed to the plan of Shopify, you will be able to view the cancel subscription option. I have not subscribed to any plans of the Shopify, so I'm not able to view this option here. To cancel your Shopify subscription, you have to click on the cancel subscription option. But before cancelling your subscription or closing your account, you have to save your data. Once you click on the cancel subscription option, your subscription of the Shopify app will be successfully cancelled. So that's how to cancel Shopify app subscription.